Why jingle bell inna your belly, jingle bell inna your belly, make bad man. Jingle bell inna your belly, jingle bell inna your belly. Me I wonder if you catch my drift. Your body I'm a Christmas gift.
Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. Yes, goody. So I'm just I've been at work for like about 15 minutes now or so. It's like 8:45, and I just came in, answered my emails that I needed to answer, got what I needed to focus on today from my boss. But I'm gonna go to Subway and get something to eat. Today is my favorite sub of the day. It's a Wednesday, sweet onion chicken teriyaki day. So I get a sub for $4, I think it is. So I'm gonna go there, get my sub, and then come back. By the time I come back, it should be like 9 o'clock. So I should be starting work. I mean, not that I'm not starting already. I'm already clocked in. So yeah, let's go. Couldn't tell me said that the whole time I was recording that it was turned around. I'm so annoyed. Yes, Subway, eat fresh.
House sauce, sorry, not house sauce, honey mustard and sweet onion. No, honey mustard and sweet onion. Yeah, can I get a little bit more honey mustard? Thank you.
Sweet onion chicken. Oh, if you guys could only smell it. Sweet onion chicken teriyaki. So I get lettuce, spinach, cucumbers, green peppers. I'm trying the purple onions. And cheese, of course. So I'm gonna eat this. Do the people that work. Praise the time finish fast, so I can't go yard because I'm tired. I'm tired already. I'm just that. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Sammy, a package come, Sammy. You guys, my package came. The delivery driver called me and said, "Miss, your package is here. You have the money to pay for it." So it's gonna be a good day today, you guys. Oh my god. And it's good because I worked here all by myself today. My boss is not here. I'm so happy. I said, I call the people them this morning and I'm going to cuss them off. Even just now, I cuss them off because them say my card. Song true. What a day I go on. Good, yes, good. I'm so happy. I can't wait to go home now. Anytime private number call me, it's something good, something good. I'm never afraid for answer no private call because it's something good all the time. Yeah. I'm going to eat my lunch soon. It's 1 o'clock. And I just wanted to check in with you guys and tell you guys that I was super excited. Danielle, big up yourself, Danielle. Anyway, you're dead. Danielle donated to my camera fund, you guys. She donated to my camera fund. So far, I have $15 out of a $400 goal. That's lit. Yeah. Talk truth, it's a go round, talk truth. If you guys have yet to donate, go over to my campaign and donate. Again, I will leave the information on the screen and it will be in the description box. Go over, check it out. If you can't donate, share it. Tell your father, your grandmother, your doctor, your dentist, your teacher, Thomas Hamilton, your shrink, your side chick, your mate, your side man, your baby father, your husband, your wife, your baby mother, Santa, him elf, Rudolph. Go tell everybody if you donate. I could turn up his scheme. I'm gonna do this, go on the road and go get some snacks and then come back, eat my lunch and finish the end of my day. So I will talk to you guys later. Hope you guys are having a good day today. It's hump day. Bye. Oh my gosh, you guys. I legit just had the biggest scare in life. I thought I lost my mother freaking passport. I thought I lost my passport. I was like, this is not the time, for me to get a new passport. There's no time, But anyways, I'm gonna go pick up my package. I'm so freaking excited. I realized I'm gonna put up the vlog yet for day 6, but here what, at least not have footage for day 7. So when I go home, I gotta edit that and put that up. Oh, thank you. And then it's gonna be late. Hopefully I get there on time. But anyways, me soon when we reach, because it's dark outside. I can't even vlog in the car because it's dark outside. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's lit. A bitch got her package. I'm so freaking excited. Okay, so now I gotta go make a stop. I'm gonna have to edit. I'm gonna have to upload. Jesus, what a piece of work. Yo, you guys, Vlogmas. Let me tell y'all, Vlogmas is... Am I carrying this? Okay, yeah. Vlogmas is no freaking joke. Like, I'm ever on my phone. Like, if I'm not if I don't record me, I record. I edit me, I edit. Talk show this man I look palm for. What is it, sir? Me get my package. Me happy. Me happy. So me get my package. Okay, hair store. People, me I go the hair store and then me I go come back. Talk true, go there. So later. Anyways, guys, I made it home. Let me just do a quick haul with you guys of what I got when I was on the road today. I bear all me I go, you know. I wanna not pay me for, and I bear all when I get. I wanna do sick. What a way I wanna lucky. So, anyways, I got a pack of eyelashes. These are my favorite kinds. These are the Demi Wispies. This is the ones that you guys always be asking me about. Get you some, boo. These are the eyelashes, Demi Wispies. This is from the brand Kiss, and they're number 1. I got a dome cap because I will be making a wig. And I just got some wig clips in case I couldn't find the ones that I have, which I ended up coming home and finding them. And I got some T-pins. And that's all I got today. My package came finally. Oh my gosh, when I went there, the lady was like, oh, it's in transit. The guy didn't come back yet with the truck. I was like, listen, before I come here, before I left me yard, I call the people them and then tell me, say, the man is going to be there between 5 and 6 o'clock. I'm going to reach here almost 7 o'clock. So what to telling me, and then she go out, she go back there, she search and take me stand up in a UPS for about one good 15 or so minutes before she come back, and she's like, goody, I have your package. I'm going to say, yeah, you, talk truth. I literally just finished editing the vlog. I don't know what's up with me and these late uploads. I gotta kind of get back on track. Normally I would like edit it like in the morning time, like when I'm on my way to work or whatever the case may be, but now I just feel like said too much people just like, it's just too much with all the winter jackets and the backpacks and stuff like, it's too much. But we haven't really been in the group chat today at all, so I'm gonna go talk to Day and them because they are everybody's so silent and stuff like that, but everybody's just editing like Sammy I edit, Day I edit, and a lesson plan. Me I edit and I run up and down and I do what I have to do. So, but I'm gonna go talk to my babies and I will catch you guys tomorrow in day 8. Ross, in day 8. Can you believe it? We're already in day 8. Y'all, I haven't even really taken it in how close Christmas is. But anyways, I hope you guys have yourself an amazing day, afternoon, or night, depending on whenever it is that you watch this. And if you haven't, send me your best. So I can put on in and things like that. And if you have not already donated to $1, please go over to my campaign and go donate to $1. Again, we put the campaign name on it. The something here. So the scream. I never do it last time when we put it on the screen, and we always put it in the description box. So you guys can go over there if you guys are feeling very giving, because you know this is a time of year where you're supposed to give. So give to the less fortunate. And yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow in day 8. Love you.
Just like when Christmas a come.